In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a system view in Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Dataverse. This process is key to enhancing your organization's data management and accessibility within your applications. So, let's dive right in and explore what system views really are. Essentially, a system view is a particular view within your system that displays records for an entity. It highlights certain columns, applies a specific sort order, and may even come with default filters. What's particularly advantageous about system views is that they're available to all users within your organization, or at least to those who have the appropriate permissions. This makes it a powerful tool for sharing data insights across teams. You might have come across examples of system views such as quick find views, lookup views, and associated views. The important thing to remember is that these views are owned by the organization and not by an individual user, which means they support consistency and visibility across the board. Now, let's get into the steps to create a system view using the modern interface in the Power Apps environment. The first thing you need to do is sign in to the Power Apps Maker portal. To do this, head over to make.powerapps.com or navigate to your Dynamics 365 or Power Platform environment directly. Once you've logged in, you'll want to determine which solution or customization area you plan to use. This could be the default solution or a custom solution, depending on where you want your new system view to reside. Next, you need to locate the table, also known as the entity, for which the view will be created. You can do this by going under Dataverse and selecting Tables, or by accessing them via Solutions and then Tables. Once you've found your entity, it's time to focus on the views. Within the components of that table, you'll come across an option for views. Here, you can see all the existing system views for that particular entity. To initiate the creation of a new system view, click on plus New View, or sometimes it might be labeled as Add View. This will open a new interface where you'll need to give your view a name, and you can optionally add a description to clarify its purpose or intended use. Moving on, you'll want to define the columns. This involves selecting which columns or fields you'd like to include in your view. You can choose from the primary entity or even related entities through lookups, offering a wealth of possibilities for what your view can encompass. Additionally, you have room to adjust the column order and width, ensuring the view is tailored to your specifications. Now, let's discuss setting filters and default view criteria. This step allows you to add filter criteria to control what records appear by default in your view, ensuring that the most relevant and useful information is immediately accessible to users. You'll also have the option to configure the default sort order for one or more columns, which can be crucial in highlighting the right data sets at a glance. Finally, it's important to save your view, and then proceed to publish the customizations. This last step is what makes the new system view active and visible to users across the organization, ready for action. By following these steps, you'll be able to establish a system view that enhances how your organization interacts with data in Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Dataverse. Thanks for joining me today in mastering this essential skill.